In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Notion AI agent inside your workspace. To get started, open Notion and make sure you're in the workspace where AI agents are available. This is important because if you're in the wrong workspace, you may not see the feature you need. Before doing anything else, take a quick moment to confirm you're in the right place so the rest of the process goes smoothly. Once you're there, choose the Notion AI agent option. Depending on how your workspace is set up, this may appear in a menu, toolbar, or another visible area inside Notion. The key here is simply to open the AI agent interface so you can begin interacting with it directly. After that, ask the agent what you want it to do inside your workspace. This is where you describe the task in a simple and direct way. For example, you might want it to summarize information, organize content, search through notes, or help with a database-related task. The more specific your request is, the easier it will be for the agent to understand what outcome you want. As you give your request, make sure your instructions are clear. Clear instructions help the agent respond more accurately and save you time later. Try to explain the task in a way that removes confusion. If needed, mention what kind of result you expect, such as a summary, a cleaned up version of content, or a structured output. Good instruction quality usually leads to better results. Next, allow the agent to access the correct pages or databases. This step matters because the AI can only work with the information it's permitted to use. If it doesn't have access to the right content, the result may be incomplete or off target. So double check that the pages, documents, or databases connected to the task are the ones the agent can actually reference. Once the agent provides a result, review it carefully. Don't assume it's perfect on the first try. Read through the output, make sure it matches your request, and check that the information is accurate, relevant, and useful for what you need. If the result is not accurate, edit your instructions and try again. This is a normal part of working with AI tools. Sometimes a small change in wording can make a big difference in the quality of the response. Keep refining your request until the output matches your goal. That's how to use a Notion AI agent effectively inside your workspace.